Hello guys, this is a showcase on a script I'm working on called Chrysalism. Right now there's only a couple of features, so here I'll execute. You can see the nice animation play. In case you missed it, I'll show again, pay attention around there. See, pretty nice animation. Got that nice loading of the text there. And so here we go, we got 3 tabs: remote spy, admin, credits. Chrysalism is a script made entirely by TechHog 8984. If you have any questions or you encounter any bugs, feel free to message me on Discord. And then there is the remote spy and the admin. So in the remote spy, we got tons of things. We got this is the title. This is to go through the pages, and then this is just a count of how many times the remotes been logged. So here, if you click this, you'll see it. This is the selected scripts, and you can see here this is the script output. It's a bit similar to the hydroxide, how they do it. String 1, string 2, and then you can see game get service, public storage, default chat chat events, a message request, and then fire server string 1, string 2. And so that is how it works. If I also fire this remote, you can see your remote event. I can switch to this one, and see, this is just because it's an underscore, it's just got a backslash, just nothing that really matters, just to prevent any funky situations. If I remember number 1, and if I do it multiple times, you can see the count goes up as well as the current index. But if I go down a couple and start firing, it doesn't go with it unless you're on the latest one. Then it actually goes with the count. And then say I can keep typing whatever in there. It'll say. Then we have the actual buttons here. Syntax highlighting coming soon, by the way. Fully custom. So then we have our buttons: execute, ignore remote, lock remote, copy remote path, copy scripts, and clear calls. So if we execute, see, does that, sends it, increases the count, etc. Also there's this. I can look through the past of them, and I can go to the last and the first one. And then there's ignore remote. So if I do that and then I send it, it's not going to count it at all. And then if I unignore it, it'll start counting it. Then I can block it, makes it just blocks remote, can't send it. Then I can unblock it, I can send it again. I can copy the remote path, and it said success down there, boom, the path right there. Then I can copy the script, which copies this, and if I paste, boom, just like in here, same thing. And then, you can just copy individual parts by just selecting that and then copying and pasting it. Then there's clear calls. So you see I have 13 of these. If I clear the calls, it all goes away. And if I say something else, boom, starts all over. So that is it for the remote spy. If you have anything else you want me to add to this, you can put it in the comments or message my Discord. Then there's the admin tab. See, the title admin shows the prefix right there. Then you can go to commands, it shows the commands. It's a little hard to read these right here, and there is no usage yet. I still have to sort this out. So I can do the commands like jump power, a bunch, and then if I set it to nothing, if there's no arguments, it'll just do the default. You can't really see it because I'm still in the air. So when I fall down, you can see I did JP, so now it's normal. And then I can do walk speed, and it does that. And then if I do walk speed again, boom. So this is the name, and then these are the aliases. You see walk speed. I can do both WS and walk speed, and I can do as many caps as I want, and it'll work. Then there's rejoin. I'll show the rejoin at the end because then I don't have to execute the script again. Then there's change prefix or CP. So you can do CP. I could do like that, the right parenthesis, and then I can do command as normal with that, and I can change it to exclamation, or like the exclamation point to do more commands. Like if I want to do create waypoint, there's create waypoint, CW, new waypoint, or NW, so I can do create waypoint, and then I'll do waypoint 1. Then if I go to the waypoints, it shows up here with the position, it cuts off at the end there. It doesn't round at all, it just kind of cuts off the extra coordinates in the decimal places. Then I can do either exclamation mark waypoint and then go to waypoint 1, or I can just click it and you see it teleports me. You can just tell by the grass moving. Then there is two waypoint, so just waypoint, it's the same command, it's just you could also do two waypoint, waypoint 1. But it didn't really do anything because I was already on the waypoint. So there you see it moved. And then the last command, rejoin, I can do exclamation mark RJ or exclamation mark rejoin. But before I do that, I will show you the -H. You see it hides a message there. So if I do like exclamation mark walk speed 100 and -H, it never gets sent, but it updates. It works for any message too. So if I want to say something and be like, you know what, never mind, just -H, no one will see it. And then the rejoin commands, exclamation mark RJ, and I can hide it so other people don't see it. And I'm in a VIP server, so it doesn't really do anything. So I will go to a real server and show you how that works. Okay, I'm back in another game. Execute again so you can see the wonderful animation. There it is. Having some difficulties there. And so that's the rejoin command, like this, rejoin, and then I can hide it, and then boom, rejoins the same server. There's not a server hop feature. That might be coming soon if people request it. So you see it hid the message there. Now if I execute again and then do rejoin, it will show up in the chat. So that is the Chrysalism V1 scripts currently. That's all it has. If you would like to suggest anything, or if you encounter bugs, because there will be the script in the description if you do want to use this. So if you have again any bugs, you can put it in the comments, or you can message me on Discord, techhog #8984, like that.